What's up, Lagos? What's up, Nigeria? This is Movie Buff. You know what time is it, people? My name is Observe Superstar International. Keeping it real, guys, for you people 100%. Guess what, people? Looking good. It's my hobby. Now, today I'll be talking about one particular film that we're all going out to go and watch right about now. The cinemas. The name of this film is called The Bling of Lagos. This film promises to blow our minds. We'll go out there and see that movie, and when we come back, I give you all the intel you need to know about this film. Don't go anywhere. Movie Buff, Bling of Lagos, what it do? I'll be back.
Beautiful Lagos, hey. Land of mercy, land of success, oh. For Lagos, everything is done change, oh. I say Governor Body is doing a great job, oh. Street lights all over Lagos, oh. He's bringing out the beauty in Lagos, oh. From Third Mainland to Keja, no more traffic.
Good morning, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay? Good morning, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay?
Alright, what's up, Lagos? What's up, Nigeria? This is Movie Buff. You know what it is, people. We out here in the cinemas today to be part of those that will witness the first time in cinema, the first time we will be seeing this movie. The name of this movie is called The Bling of Lagos. Yo, this movie promises to be very, very interesting. As you can see so far, the ambience is going wild. I will promise, and of course they have promises that this movie is filled with glamour, and of course stars that will give us a good information at the end of the day. My name is Observe. I'll be giving you guys beautiful, beautiful celebrities as they come our way.
Wait, Mommy is throwing a birthday party this year?
I'm thinking Nigerian paradise. Oh, and you, my beautiful goddess, will be Yemoja, coral everywhere. I like that.
Your 50th cost $1 million. That means your 51st will be higher.
Well, naturally.
Flowers from where the garden heaven.
You know what you've been up to with money.
Baba.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, wow. Ah.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, wow.
What if you look where you talk now?
Do you know these people that you are talking about? These are juggernauts of the East.
Not for this movie.
But this is their kind of a movie now, powerful epic.
No.
So you and the children planned this in order to twist my arm so that I won't have my 51st birthday. Is that what it is? You're just plain broke. I beg your pardon.
You people did not miss me.
I bought Googie.
Googie?
Yes, I bought Burberry. There's this one that
just did mad shopping.
Did you follow me?
In case you all do not understand why I'm all dressed up in Agbada, I'll give you the secret. Now, they have also put together 500,000 naira to be given to the best dress today, and also 350,000 naira will be given to the first runner-up, and also to the second runner-up 150,000 naira. So guess what? Someone today will be going up with 500,000 or even 150,000. It might just be you, but of course it could be me. Of course, I'm well dressed. Lagos City, I'll give you celebrities as they come our way. Don't go anywhere. Movie Buff, we here. Lagos City, I don't know how to put it, but she does not need too much of an introduction. First, it's good to meet you again, Helen.
Thank you very much.
All right, now for you, you played a role in this movie.
Yes.
What role did you play?
I'm Shaggy's girlfriend, but we work together in the same house. We're both workers in the same house, but I was very close to Shaggy.
Okay.
I played Holloway's side chick.
All right, how does it feel working with this director?
First, it was my first time working with her, and she knew what she was doing. So I was very comfortable. She's very subtle, but she was very firm. So she knew exactly what she wanted for the film and from the film and from the cast. So yeah.
It's a technical movie in the sense that, yeah, the story is interesting, but with the right director, you make it feel like, yes, you can do it. There's nothing if we have a right director, nothing is difficult. So the director made it easy for us, so it wasn't difficult.
Oh Lord!
Oh, wow! Ah!
Oh Lord!
Oh, wow!
What's it Oluwa when you dey talk now?
This man, we had to write an application to have him here. Everybody's just dragging you from right and left and kind of... You played a role in this movie.
I did.
What role did you play?
I'm Venia. Venia is the party planner for Mrs. Holloway's Big Bash. That's you, my beautiful goddess, will be Yemoja, coral everywhere.
I like that.
Your character in this movie. Do we see your character every day in Lagos?
Well, I mean, you do see the party planners who are like extremely well packaged and larger than life. But Venia, I think when you watch the movie, you understand that like he's like every young person in Lagos. He's trying to make it. He's trying to hustle, and he's doing that through networking with the right people, working with Mrs. Holloway to get more contacts and be the premier party planner. So he's a hustler. So yes, you see hustlers all over Lagos. I'm a hustler myself.
Looking at our content today, can you compare our content of, let's say, the ones we were giving back in the days and the ones we have in the 21st century? What has changed?
Life is evolving, growth in life. So when you say our industry, you mean our job. So what can I say? We're all growing and we're all getting better in the job.
Yes, collaborations have been happening for a very long time, but Nollywood going into Hollywood, I don't know if that is a good step, because Nollywood is it's a complete vision on its own, and once you merge it, it's not going to work. Once you merge it, like, make it one simple family. No, we're going to do collaborations, yes, but Nollywood is on its own, Hollywood is on its own, and there's a level of respect for each of the film industry.
Mommy is throwing a birthday party this year.
I'm thinking Nigerian paradise. Oh, and you, my beautiful goddess, will be Yemoja, coral everywhere.
I like that.
Your 50th cost $1 million. That means your 51st will be higher.
Well, naturally.
Flowers from where the garden heaven.
You know what you've been up to with money.
Baba. Oh Lord!
Oh, wow! Ah!
Yet again, we have yet an amazing young looking hut. Yo, I hate describing guys, man. You sound somehow. But notwithstanding, yo, you think you're fresh, you need to see this guy. If there's anything I like about you, I think I like your beard. I'm still trying my best to make my own.
It's a struggle.
It's a struggle. I understand. So for you, what do you expect tonight?
I want to be wild. I mean, the Bling Lagosians. I expect glamour, opulence, extraness. I want to see, there's a way you watch a movie and you see like wealth that you just only imagine. That's what I'm expecting.
It's the same thing.
Your own is maybe Agbada. Yo, I have an opportunity to stand in front of this man. I've seen his work, I've heard his work, I've vibed to his song, I've done everything. I've played your song several times on radio. Yes, I think I should tell you this one face to face. But again, it's good to have you here, Don Jazz.
Thank you, boss.
You're a legend, a living icon. You've done a lot of things in the Nigerian music industry.
You say so. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Do we see you act in the movie?
Maybe one day, because this one that all these people, they start using me for small skits here and there. I'm not really a camera person, but maybe one day I might just have the balls to do it.
How'd you feel?
I feel great. Today's a big day for me. I feel great.
You played a role in this movie?
Yes.
What did you play?
The role of Takumba Holloway.
These people that we are talking about, these are juggernauts of the East.
Not for this movie.
But this is their kind of a movie. How powerful is it?
How difficult, how easy was it to play that?
was a bit difficult because naturally I'm a girly girl, and I wasn't a girly girl in this movie.
Wow.
I was a bit of a quirky girl. So it was hard for me to act slightly tomboyish, but still come off as a rich kid.
So for you looking at the Nigerian movie industry now, are we doing great?
Yeah, we're definitely getting there. We have more like cinema-worthy movies. The industry, more stories are coming out. I mean, this Bling Lagos, like, is a thing that we could have done a long time ago, but just now that they're actually realizing that we have all these things that can make this movie, so it's good.
Can we compare our content to Hollywood and the rest of the world?
We obviously can't compare, but we're getting there. And I'm proud of the stage that Nollywood is in at the moment. We're definitely not where we were 2 years ago. We're definitely not where we were 4 years ago. We have producers who are going the extra mile to make their movies nice. So I would give us A for effort in everything we're doing. And I'm proudly Nollywood.
How do you feel? I'm so excited. I'm very nervous, very excited, very shy, and I really don't know how to do all this.
Now, I don't want to start asking you what we expect from the movie. We know this movie is going to be a bomb. Now, what will be your message to people who look up to you as a role model, who want to be like you?
Who want to be like me? Why do they want to be? Anyway, how am I? There's nothing special about me, but I can tell you that if you work hard, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. And you know, I always say to girls, don't ever trade your body for what you want. So just work hard, pray a lot.
I think I like that one.
Yes.
Now for you, this movie, was it a year project, 2 years project, 5 years, some months?
Actually, when I was called to do the movie, I think it was 1.5 years ago. But it wasn't supposed to be a film. It was supposed to be a stage play. So when Babs looked at the script again and thought to herself, this would look good as a film, it then went through a very long process because of changing it from a stage play to a screenplay, and she took it to different script writers and so on. So the process of the script took a long time before we actually started filming. But we shot, I think it was late last year. Okay. We shot for 3 weeks, and here we are now.
What have we do to get your love? Girl, I don't give you all I got, but it's not enough for you.
Should we look at?
I think the fabulosity of Lagos, according to the trailer, I keep saying in all my interviews, like 1% of the 1% of Lagos, the glitz and the glam, you know, the very opulent people of Lagos.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so for you, looking at the message we put out these days in Nollywood, can we compare it with Hollywood and other film industries, and our own will stand top notch?
I hate comparing Nollywood with Hollywood or any other industry. I think let Nollywood be Nollywood and let Hollywood be Hollywood. We are very far apart. It's been years apart. So they give us time to grow. We'll eventually get there, but I hate to compare. Anything comparison, I don't do it, honestly.
Show you fire me catapult of love.
Like you and I grow up. All right, so for you looking at this movie tonight, what do you think in this movie that you look up to? What is that thing you are expecting so much?
Well, I've actually watched it. I watched it yesterday at a private viewing, and it's an excellent film. Wow. It is. I mean, by all ramifications, but especially for the story. It's much more deeper than the name.
Wow. Okay.
Blink. Yeah. So people will get surprised.
Great. Now, after Big Brother Naija, I have not seen you. And how have you been?
Brother, look at me. What do you think? I'm doing okay. I'm doing great.
I'm guilty. Yeah. I've not been following up, to be very honest. Now, for you,
I want to speak same UNILAG.
We go edit out. All right. Now, for you, looking at this movie, who do you think in this film is going to wow us?
Everybody. I mean, this is a pot of soup where every meat is delicious in its own way. So I can't pinpoint one person being the star of the movie. I think it's all going to be a collective effort, and it's all going to be beautiful eventually.
Wow. Things I like about your outfit tonight. Your clothes And your beards.
They're gone.
My own is not there.
The beards are not here, but now I'm shooting another movie in Abuja.
Wow.
You know,
So for you, sir, what do we expect? You play the role in this movie.
well, you see, it's going to be difficult to tell you what to expect, you know, because already from the cast of the movie, people are expecting some slapstick comedy or something like that. But honestly, wait until you see.
Wow.
You'll probably collapse.
Okay, you play a role in this movie.
Yes.
What role did you play?
I play Kiki Princewell in the movie Bling of Lagos Fresh.
Was it difficult to handle the script?
No, it wasn't. It was really interesting. I loved reading it and finally getting to play Kiki Princewell. She's a very animated character, and yeah, I guess the audience would love her.
Wait, Mommy is throwing a birthday party this year?
I'm thinking Nigerian paradise. Oh, and you, my beautiful goddess, will be Yemoja, coral everywhere.
I like that. Your 50th cost $1 million.
Mm-hmm.
That means your 51st will be higher.
Well, naturally.
Flowers from where the garden heaven.
You know what you've been up to with money.
Baba. Oh Lord.
Oluwa! Ah!
Oh Lord.
Oluwa!
What if Oluwa when you dey talk now?
Do you know these people that you are talking about? These are juggernauts of the East.
Not for this movie.
But this is their kind of a movie, now powerful epic.
No, so you and the children planned this in order to twist my arm so that I won't have my 51st birthday. Is that what it is?
You're just plain broke. I beg your pardon.
You people did not miss me.
I bought Googie.
Googie?
Yes, I bought Burberry.
There's this one that
just did mad shopping.
Did you follow me?
Boom, boom, boom. The Bling Lagos, trust me, if you've gone out to see this movie with us and you still don't enjoy the movie, like you still don't like it, I think I should be asking you the questions, man. What did you really go out to go and watch? Yo, this movie, the storyline is actually beautiful. I think I kind of like it because they showed us not 100% of what we see about Lagos people, but they showed us some little things, and trust me, this film is an amazing masterpiece. I like the storyline. I think Nigerians, Lagosians out there should really go out there, go and see this movie. Now, one person, two persons that, let me not say two, let me say like a whole lot of cast on this one. You can watch out for Bumi Aboderin and also Toyin Abraham, Helen Paul, Brother Shaggy. Yo, this film is a package of it all. You know when you hear about premium, this one is premium. Alright guys, this is how far I can go today. My name hasn't changed. I hope you enjoyed everything you guys have just watched right about now. Feel free to follow us on all our social media platforms showing right now on your TV screen. My name hasn't changed. My name is Observe and I am out. Movie buff. Go out there, watch a movie and be happy. Boom!